Welcome to the news. RFG Foods mascarpone with fig and pecan nuts, made exclusively for Woolworths, has been crowned the 2025 Dairy Product of the Year. The dessert cheese stood out among a record 1,110 entries from 77 manufacturers in Africa's biggest dairy competition. This marks RFG Foods' second win in 3 years. In addition, the Hollard Game Changer Award went to the 31-year-old Pamela Zinzikwa, head of production at Puglia Cheese, for her inspiring rise from cleaner to senior leader and mentor. 30 products were also awarded the prestigious Qualité mark during this event, recognizing outstanding excellence in the South African dairy industry. Die Namibiese Departement van Landbou, Visserye, Water en Grondhervorming het onlangs aangekondig dat alle vorige uitgereikte permitte om genetiese materiaal van gesplete hoefdiere vanaf Suid-Afrika in te voer gekanselleer word. Dit volg nadat die grens in 2021 gesluit is weens die grootskaalse uitbreking van back-enclosure in Suid-Afrika en die stelselmatige heropening hiervan sedert Desember 2024. Die Namibiese regering het egter sonder enige vooraf aanduiding nou besluit om die grens weer te sluit in 'n poging om hul nasionale kudde te beskerm teen back-enclosure uitbrekings. Dit volg nadat onlangs 'n aankondiging is dat nog uitbrekings in KwaZulu-Natal aangeteken is. Onderhandelinge tussen betrokke organisasies van beide lande is onderweg. Fruit South Africa has recently announced their new board leadership. Anton Rabe succeeds Anton Kruger as chairperson, with Derek Duncan appointed as vice chairperson. Kruger remains on the board as a director. The organisation bade farewell to Justin Chadwick and Vangile Titimzumza, who retired after years of dedicated service. Chadwick was a founding director and longtime CEO of the Citrus Growers Association. 3 new directors, Dr. Boitsoko Ntsabele, Jacqueline Maisela, and Janetta Mahlangu, now join the board. En goeie marksentiment word weerspieël in trekkerverkope wat in Maart byna 35% gestyg het teenoor verlede Maart se verkope. Totale verkope vir die jaar tot dusver is byna 27% meer as verlede jaar. 37 stroopers is in Maart verkoop, wat 11 meer is as die 26 eenhede wat verlede Maart verkoop is. Vir die jaar tot dusver is stroperverkope nou byna 17% meer as verlede jaar. Volgens huidige beramings sal trekkerverkope marginaal meer wees as die 6,463 eenhede wat verlede jaar verkoop is. Stroperverkope van tussen 180 en 190 eenhede word vir 2025 verwag. And the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization has reported that global food prices remained stable in March. Its food price index from February remained unchanged at 127.1 points, while vegetable oil prices rose by 3.7%, driven by strong global demand. Cereal and sugar prices declined. Wheat, maize and rice prices fell amid improved supply outlooks and weaker import demand. The meat index rose slightly, led by pig meat prices in Europe, while dairy prices held steady. Sugar prices dropped 1.6%, with higher rainfall in Brazil easing concerns. En iets om na uit te sien, Agricol bied binnekort weer sy gewilde groen dag in Potchefstroom aan. Kom ons kyk.